Bonjour à tous, bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy. J'espère que vous allez bien. Euh, Ça sera une lecture rapide. We're going to go fast because, in fact, I'm coaching young people to pass exams. I don't know for you guys, but in Belgium, the school kids have exams, so I have to help them. This is the last week, but I am with you reading Tintin. We go on and remember that Dupont et Dupont, the two policemen here, they wanted, I think, to send a telegraph. So let's read Saperlipopette. That means, my goodness, les communications télégraphiques avec Shanghai sont coupées à cause des inondations. So the telegraph communications with Shanghai are cut off because of the floodings, inondations. That's floodings. Il va donc falloir retourner à Shanghai pour y prendre de nouveaux ordres. Exactly. So, il va falloir. It's going to be necessary to return to Shanghai to prendre, take new orders. And the little word I means there, over there. And then here we have Tintin and Chang. Voilà l'orage. There comes the storm. Je crois qu'il serait plus prudent de redescendre. So I believe that it would be more careful to redescendre, go back down again. Tu as raison, Chang. You're right, Chang. So they're running down again. Pendant ce temps-là, à Uku. During that time in Uku. Guess you see here somebody's letting a pigeon fly away. It might have a message, I think. But you see there is a terrible storm. Ah, look at this one here. So voilà le messager que j'attendais. There you have the messenger that I was waiting for. Il vient sûrement m'annoncer que Tintin a été arrêté. It's coming for sure to announce me that Tintin has been arrested. So he's reading the message. Poor little bird. Arrestation pas eu lieu. So the arrest has not taken place. Tintin libre. Tintin free. Attendons ordre. Waiting for orders. 1,000,000 de samouraïs. Thousands of millions samurais. Well, he's just swearing. Finissons-en. Let's finish with it. Aux grands mots, les grands remèdes. Well, to big problems, big remedies. And you see the word mot in fact, is a plural of mal, something which is bad. Qu'il disparaisse. Let him disappear. He wants Tintin to disappear. Ces trois mots suffiront. Sorry. These three words will be sufficient. And then he lets the pigeon go again. N'est-ce pas révoltant de voir ainsi rouler toute la nuit? Isn't it revolting to have to, like this, drive, rouler, drive the whole night, to travel the whole night? Et tout cela à cause de ce satané commissaire. And all that because of that, well, devilish commissioner. Okay, like the police officer. It's rather the police officer. They're really angry. Et le lendemain matin, and the next morning, voilà le vieux temple en question. There is the old temple in question. Ce temple doit certainement recevoir la visite de nombreux touristes. The temple must certainly receive the visit of a lot of tourists. Regarde, Chang, il y a même un photographe. Look there, Chang. There is even a photographer. Une jolie photo, monsieur? A nice photograph, gentlemen? Terminé en 5 minutes. Finished in 5 minutes. Oui? Yes? Si tu veux. If you want. So, oh my God, oh my God. He's going to take the picture. Attention, le petit oiseau va sortir. Now watch out, the little bird is going to get out. And oh, he's shooting. Pom, pom, pom. Aïe. Oh no, he hit Tintin. Mille tonnerres, ma mitraillette s'est enrayée. So here you see inside he had like a machine gun. A mitraillette is a machine gun. And so he says, well, Thousand Thunders, he's swearing again. My machine gun was enrayé, maybe stopped or jammed. Didn't work properly. And then Chang, you see, he's attacking him. Sale Chinois, dirty Chinese, je m'en vais t'apprendre à te mêler de ce qui ne te regarde pas. So, I'm going to teach you, apprendre, to, well, it really says to mingle with what is, it really means which is not your business. So don't put your nose in this business. This expression is really hard to translate. When you say, ça ne te regarde pas, it doesn't concern you. So it really means, I will learn you how to stop putting your nose in other people's business. He's hitting Milou, look at that, and then Tintin, bas les pattes, hands off, hein, back off, scélérat, villain, ou je vous photographie à bout portant, or I will photograph or take a picture of you at close range. So, well, I will shoot you. À nous deux maintenant, the two of us now. Japonais, n'est-ce pas? Japanese, isn't it? C'est Mitsui Rato qui vous a chargé de cette belle besogne. Is it Mitsui Rato who has charged you with this task, hein, besogne, this mission, maybe? Oui, il a peur de vous. Yes, he is scared of you. Vous possédez le poison au Rajaija et il craint que, retrouvant Fan Seying, celui-ci parvienne à découvrir le remède à ce poison. You possess the poison of the Rajaja and he fears that finding back Fan Seying, this one, so Fan Seying, the professor, parvienne, he will manage to discover the remedy to, or the antidote to the poison. C'est pour ce motif qu'il a fait enlever le professeur. It's for that reason that he has had kidnapped, enlevé, kidnapped the professor. Ah, c'est donc lui. Ah, so it's him. Mais alors, la lettre dans laquelle Fan Seying accuse les bandits chinois? But then the letter in which Fan Seying accuses the Chinese bandits? Cette lettre était un faux. That letter was a false one, a fake one, destiné à lancer la police sur une fausse piste. So it was destined for the police to be launched on a false track. Un faux, false one? J'aurais dû m'en douter. J'aurais dû, that's a very good expression, means I should have. J'aurais dû. I should have. I should have had doubts about it. Hein? Douter, to have doubts, to doubt about something. Et par conséquent, le professeur Fan Seying n'est pas dans ce vieux temple. Où est-il? And as a consequence, the professor Fan Siying is not in the old temple. Where is he? Je l'ignore. I don't know. Vous mentez. You're lying. Je vous jure que je dis la vérité. I swear you that I'm saying the truth. Seul Mitsuhirato sait où il se trouve. Only Mitsuhirato knows where he is. Yes, se trouver is to, yes, to be, to find yourself, to be. C'est bien, nous allons redescendre à Uku. Very well, we are going to redescendre, go back down to Uku. Rien de grave, n'est-ce pas, Chang? Nothing serious, isn't it, Chang? Non, grâce au ciel. No, thanks to heaven. La balle a simplement éraflé l'épaule. So the bullet has simply scratched the shoulder. Nous remettrons ce bandit-là à la police chinoise. So we will deliver that bandit, that scoundrel, to the Chinese police. Bon, le voilà sous les verrous. Well, there he is, behind bars. Sous les verrous, hein, behind bars. Et maintenant, Chang, puisque Mitsuhirato ne vient pas à nous, nous irons à Mitsuhirato. And now, Chang, since Mitsuhirato is not coming to us, we will go to Mitsuhirato. Qu'en dis-tu? What are you saying about that? D'accord, I agree. Alors, en avant. So, let's go. Et en route pour Shanghai. Let's get on the road for Shanghai. Voilà le train de Shanghai qui arrive. There is the train for Shanghai, which is arriving. Ah, look at those two. Nous y sommes. Here we are. Façon de parler. Yes, that's a way of saying it or of seeing it. Il y a encore 3 heures de marche avant d'arriver à Uku. There is still 3 hours of walking before arriving at Uku. Quel métier, mon Dieu, quel métier. What a job, my God, what a job. Okay, we're going to page 50. So you see people are getting off the train. Here with a suitcase. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dupont recognizes Tintin and Chang getting out of the train. And then, bim, falling. Je le suivais. I was following him. Je l'ai vu heurter du pied cette valise et tomber sur le quai. I have seen him. Heurter means to hit. With his foot, that suitcase, and fall on the platform. C'est un accident stupide. It's a stupid accident. Ah, le voilà qui reprend connaissance. Ah, there he is. Reprend, like regaining consciousness. You see, he's dreaming of Tintin, suitcase. Tintin! Quoi, Tintin? Où ça? How, Tintin? Where? No, not how, but what, Tintin? Where? Sur le quai, il attendait le train. On the platform, he was waiting for the train. Zut, voilà le train qui repart pour Shanghai. Ah, too bad. There is the train which is repart, going back to or leaving again for Shanghai. Aïe, voilà l'autre à présent. Aïe, there is the other one now. Pourvu qu'il ne nous rattrape pas. Pourvu que means hoping that he does not catches up with us. So he's running behind the train. Running, trying to jump on it, and whoa, look at that. Well, there they are both. J'allais le rattraper, mais je n'ai pas vu que j'étais arrivé au bout du quai. I was going to catch it, but I hadn't seen that I had arrived at the end of the platform. Il n'y a plus qu'une chose à faire. There is only one more thing to do. And the only is in the ne plus. Huh? No, I'm sorry, in the ne que. You have the little ne here, negation, and then you have que here. It's only one thing to do. Send a telegraph to Shanghai. Oops, sorry, so that they picking him up at la descente, getting off the train. Okay. Last page of today, page 50. Well, it's a bit blurred here. I'm sorry. Well, it's better later, so really sorry. Le lendemain, the day after. Voilà les derniers voyageurs. There are the last, the passengers, yes. Et toujours pas de Tintin, and still no Tintin. Bredouille, chef. Yes, bredouille means, well, empty-handed. We don't have anything. Il n'était pas dans le train. He was not in the train. À mon avis, il sera descendu en cours de route. To my opinion, he will have gone down from the train, en cours de route, somewhere on the road. Tonnerre, thunder, c'est vexant, it's irritating. À la fin d'être toujours tenu en échec par ce gamin. So it's irritating at the end to be always held in failure by this young boy. Yeah, always, yes, so that he's always quicker, this young boy, Tintin. Il fait noir. It's dark. Nous pouvons nous risquer. We can take the risk. And you see, well, it's really dark, but Tintin and Chang and Milou are getting off the train. You see, here they are. Nous avons bien fait de sauter du train alors qu'il ralentissait avant d'entrer en gare. We have well done to jump from the train while it was ralentissait, slowing down before entering the station. Je suis sûre qu'on nous attendait à la sortie. I am sure that they attendaient, were waiting for us at the exit, la sortie. Allô, Monsieur Mitsuerato? Hello, Mr. Mitsuerato? C'est moi? Oui, it's me, yes. Hélas, non, il nous a glissé entre les doigts. No, sorry, he glided us between the fingers. I hope you understand this expression so we couldn't catch him. He glided between our fingers. That's how you would say it in French. Oui, je le regrette comme vous. Yes, I regret as you do. Que voulez-vous? What do you want? Je n'y puis rien. I can't do anything about it. Quelle police! What a police! Il va falloir une fois de plus que je travaille moi-même. Il va falloir, it will be necessary, once again, that I work myself. Toc, 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 entrez, come in. Maître Tintin est à Shanghai. Master Tintin is in Shanghai. Je l'ai vu en compagnie d'un jeune Chinois. I saw him in the company of a young Chinese. Ils sont montés dans un taxi. They got in, monter. In French, you will say like monter and descendre, like to go up in a taxi and go down from the taxi. So they went in a taxi, mais je n'ai pas pu entendre l'adresse qu'ils ont donnée. But I've not been able to hear the address that they have given to the chauffeur. Dommage. Too bad. Écoute, Yamato. Listen, Yamato. Tu vas te mettre en campagne. You're going to, well, to campaign, we could say. Et tu vas essayer de savoir où il se cache et qui le cache. And you are going to try to know where he's hiding and who is hiding him. Compris? Understood? Bien. Well, very well. Haha, there they are reunited. Grâce au ciel, nous voici de nouveau réunis. Thanks to heaven, voici, here we are, again reunited. À présent, vous allez prendre quelques jours de repos afin que votre blessure soit rapidement cicatrisée. So at present, now, you are going to take a few days of rest, repos, afin de, so that your wound is rapidly, quickly healed, cicatrisé, healed. Bien sûr, mais après cela, nous nous occuperons de Mitsuhirato. Oh, for sure, but after that, we are, and then you have the verb s'occuper de, to take care of. We're going to take care of Mitsuhirato. Une semaine a passé. 1 week has passed, has gone by. Alors, tu n'as vraiment plus mal. So you have really no pain anymore. Plus du tout, Chang. Not at all anymore, Chang. Regarde, look. Tout cela fonctionne normalement. All that functions normally. Et ce soir-là, and that evening, voici la maison de Mitsuhirato. Here is the house of Mitsuhirato. Pendant que j'y pénétrerai, toi, tu feras le guet. While I'm penetrating in the house, you will keep watch. Faire le guet means to keep watch. Bon, good. Chang is helping Tintin to climb over the wall. Personne, nobody. Yes, I know it's funny, but personne means nobody. Tout va bien. Everything is going well. So he's approaching the house. And what does he hear? Et tu es certain que Tintin est là en ce moment? And you are certain that Tintin is there at the moment? Okay, thank you for having been with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And well, I'm going to drink my coffee and then I'm going to take care of all those young people who have exams at the moment and need a little bit of help. I wish you a very, very happy Tuesday and hope everything goes well for you and hope to see you next week. Bye.